I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by giving the scanner what it needs: camera access and a clear lens. Open the built-in scanner or a trusted app and allow camera permission when prompted. Hold the phone steady. Make sure the barcode fills most of the frame but isn't cropped. If lighting is low, toggle the flashlight so contrast improves. Once done, the app will attempt to autofocus. Wait for a steady focus before moving on to scanning the code. Now you position the barcode for accurate decoding. Place the code inside the app's guide or box and keep the phone about 4 to 12 inches away, nearer for small codes, farther for large labels. Make minor angle adjustments if glare appears, because reflections often block data. You'll see focus lock or a green indicator when the camera reads the bars or QR. If it doesn't read within a second or two, slowly move a little closer or farther and try again. After the scan, check the decoded text or URL. Don't tap links blindly. Confirm they match expectations. If numbers are wrong, use the app's manual entry option to type the code. When scanning repeatedly fails, restart the app and camera, clean the lens again, and toggle permissions in settings to reauthorize access. If problems persist, try a different scanner app or reboot the phone. These steps resolve most issues quickly, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.